What's up guys, my name is Austin with Central Alps, the premier off-road customization shop here in DFW. Today, we built this beautiful red 2025 Chevy Silverado 1500. This guy got an absolute full-out build. We put a 6-inch rough country lift on it. He wanted to keep his stock wheels, which is completely fine. We did have to put a 2-inch spacer on it so that you wouldn't rub on the backside, but we did wrap them in some 35, 12, 50, 20 Nitto Ridge Grapplers. This is the fan favorite at the moment. He did want to put on some fender flares as well as an armadillo front bumper and some rough country side steps as well. We also blacked out his badges for him just to put the cherry on top. Other than that, this was an amazing build. He wanted to go full out. It was completely stock at first, and now the truck just looks completely different. It looks incredible. If you want to get yours built just like this, come over to Central Alps. We're over here on Pioneer Parkway, or give us a call at 833-268-2577.